Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We got the Caterpillar D2 out today. First time running since sitting all winter. And it's hooked up to the wide RD6. I need to tow it out of here. It's sitting here next to the grader and this poor old Minneapolis Milling tractor that's being overcome by the forest. I haven't had the RD6 running in probably 2 years. I've really been slacking on this one. Trouble is, I've got a bearing that's out at the back of the pinion drive back here. It's really rough. Last time I started it wasn't sounding too good, so I want to get the pony motor pulled off, get that bearing fixed. You'll probably see that in an upcoming video, but I'm not even going to try starting it right here because it was growling so bad, and that's been, like I say, about 2 years ago. So we're just going to tow it out of here and get it to a spot where I can have a little bit more room to work on this pony motor and facilitate its removal a little bit better. So we've got the chains all hooked up. D2's up to temp and going. So let's see if the little D2 can move the big RD6. Well, that seemed to go all right. The little D2 had to scratch a little bit when I was trying to turn the RD6. I had both the steering clutch levers pulled back, and I was just stabbing the brake periodically, trying to get that that wide RD6 turned around to track behind the D2 all right. But we got it done, and it's sitting here where I wanted it. Should be a lot easier to get to the pony motor here to work on it. Like I say, I got to pull all this off so I can replace a bearing that's way back in here. You guys will probably be seeing that in the next couple weeks. But we got the job done today. Got a few holes to fill in the yard, but you know, it comes with the territory. That just shows we had some fun today. So guys, as always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. I know this wasn't much of a video, but appreciate you coming along for the ride.